Today, we're going to learn how to replace a T-latch on a big dog cooler. Over time, these rubber latches can become frayed from normal wear and tear and result in a loose seal, greatly reducing the cooling refrigeration power of your big dog. Luckily, we can simply replace them and continue to enjoy a tightly sealed and safe cooler for years to come. Before we get started, make sure you have replacement rubber T-latches, a flathead screwdriver, and a hammer or mallet. A pair of pliers are optional to help remove the locking pins. That's all we'll need to replace our latches. Place the head of the screwdriver between the head of the metal locking pin and cooler. Gently tap the handle to chisel the edge of the screwdriver and build separation between the pin and cooler. Once you have a gap, use the screwdriver to pry the pin outward from the cooler until you can remove the latch. Insert your new replacement latch into the slot, making sure the holes are lined up. Next, gently tap the locking pin back into place with a hammer to secure the latch. We'll just repeat this same process for the other side. There you have it. In just a few simple steps, you can extend the life of your big dog cooler so it will continue to be your best friend for any outdoor adventure.